So I'm reacting to creating an app in Gemini. In order to compare to something similar, I did this with Lovable, which is a metronome app. I did it just with prompts. I will share it in the description if you want to check the code, because it's full AI, no human code, and it works pretty well. You need to know what to ask, but it's quite cool. Beep. You can even change the sound. Well, the dog is becoming crazy with this thing. Okay, so let's try to do the same thing. An image generating that uses imagen. No, I want a metronome app that works in background. I also wanted to save states about usage. Save stats about usage. Can import, export stats. This is feature parity with the thing I built with Lovable, just to be fair. So metronome app that works in background, save stats, can import, export stats, and has a cool interface. It should support different sounds. Build. Well, I can see the interface is quite similar to Lovable. There is nothing super innovative there. Not sure who copied who. It is thinking, deep diving into logic, consolidating components and logic. This sounds a bit like bullshit. Streamlining the implementing core functionality. Yeah, token. This seems slower than. This is quite slower than Lovable. Well, it seems like something is happening. Wow. The experience is worse, at least by now, it's worse than in Lovable. I'm seeing here like a lot of files being created. With Lovable, it's like it creates everything. It comes to the GitHub repo, and I don't need to see this autocomplete thing. Oh, I just dropped the coffee to the keyboard. Damn it. God. So this is being super slow. I think I as a human, this will be already created and submitted to the App Store. Don't you think so? Wow, it's adding a lot of comments. Oh, loser. Good developers do not add comments. The code needs to be great. It needs to explain itself so that you don't need code. You don't need comments. A lot of UI. Well, this is it's for sure better front-end engineer than me. I can't believe that. It's fine. It's analyzing two errors. Why do you need to analyze errors? So you are already having bugs and you just started? More things. Well, it started. Let's play and see if it works. Ah, yeah, it works. The interface is a bit. I like more the Lovable one. Oh. What the? That's the city sound. Export the stats, and they called it app, but it's the web, right? Download the app. But what is going to? This is going to download a web. I'm like an old guy that when thinks about app, thinks about native application, not about implementar in Cloud Run Studio. Well, I think for today it's fine. I thought this generated native thing, but if I click on download, this is going to download a zip with TypeScript, of course. This is probably a pretty sure. Yeah, this is a standard React application, of course. But then why do they say that they can generate native? Something I'm missing here. Something. Searching for native. Native. MCP bullshit. I don't know. I'll research that. Generate media, stream. What do you want to stream? Stream what? Stream real time. like prompting in real time, the chat. I don't know. Well, this was all for today. I liked it, but I need to read more about this thing, because actually what I expect is that it at some point generates native applications, because I always see that it generates webs, but I wanted to do one thing. I've lost the project. Where is the project now? Damn it. Guys, I think I've lost the project. I downloaded it, but it's not in my... Here, this was something I tested 2 months ago, but where the hell is the thing I just did? I downloaded the zip, but the project... There is something I'm missing here. Your apps. So, history. My project is not there. Your apps. My thing is here. Now, I don't know. I think that they generated the UX of the AI Studio with AI, and it sucks a lot, but might have a mistake. But yeah, I think that's cool. But I really want I would really want the native application. And implementing Cloud Run, share the app, yeah. Setup billing, yeah, no, I'm not paying for this shit. Okay, so thank you very much. We will go on vibe coding another week.